Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, episode 16. We have some fantastic progress on our cabinet install, and our tile guys have been here to start our shower pans. So I want to show you around the spaces because we have some really cool stuff to share with you today. Here we are in the master bathroom. We have our cabinets installed. They look so beautiful with this paint color in here and these polished nickel knobs and pulls. So this is top Knobs Ulster pull, and she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, the jewelry in this bathroom is fantastic. You're gonna see over here where we have our shower pan installed. That membrane is our waterproof membrane. It's coming out over the floor because we're doing a curbless shower in here. There's our center drain, and then over here you'll see we've got some blocking for future grab bars. But all this tile is going to go in the next week. I'm so excited to see it. But this is all of our tile prep work that is being completed at this point in time. Okay friends, here we are in our ensuite bathroom. You'll see we have the Maple Rye cabinets in here with our beautiful brushed nickel or satin nickel Ulster pulls. Aren't those gorgeous? So we changed the finish up here in a little bit just to warm these up and go with other finishes that were ordered in stainless and brushed nickel. This one, the bathroom is so tight and so close to the door, as you'll see. I'm going to squeeze in here real quick and show you the space, but look how close that is to the door. My concern for making this curbless was that the water issue here at this corner. So we do have a barn door style bypass shower glass door going on this shower, but I was really mostly concerned about water and that trim and that door, all the things. So we went with a curb on this shower to keep the water contained in the shower space itself. Here we are in our hall bathroom. You can see we have our Maple Rye cabinets in here also, this time with the polished nickel hardware. They just are so glamorous. Oh, I love them. But you can see in here, this space looks so nice. We have the agreeable gray on the walls in here. On this video, this wall color isn't showing up as almost a lavender undertone, but to our naked eye, it kind of has a little bit of a lavender undertone, so we're going to be evaluating that as we go. But doesn't that tub look great over there? Oh, the space is just going to be so nice when it's done. We've got trim, interior doors have been painted, and that door has been painted. Oh, she is so pretty. From the outside, she hadn't been painted before, so I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what she looks like now. So to complement the other colors on their front porch, we went with Sherwin-Williams iron ore for the entry side of this front door. It just looks so good. Eventually, you'll get a full picture from the outside of it. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. You can see we've got most of our cabinets done. The things that are left will happen after our countertop install happens, except for maybe some crown molding around these wall cabinets. But don't these look nice together? We had a situation come up where our floor tile, when we went to order it, wasn't in stock, unfortunately, and was going to put us beyond our timeline, which is never the information you want to be giving somebody who has their heart set on something. Thankfully, we were able to work together to get a new tile and find it and be able to put it in this space and have enough of it so we can get it on order and get it in time for the homeowners to move back into this space. But we worked really hard today to get this all lined out, and I'm so thankful that we've got this option available. We always try to work out our problems. We are problem solvers by nature, but sometimes they're easier to solve than others. Over there is our Butler's pantry. Oh, she's going to be so nice and function so well for these homeowners. Just a great additional space to have. Expanded the kitchen, and the ability to entertain in the space is going to be so wonderful to have that offset and that ability to use that space. My goodness, I'm so excited about it for them. Thank you for being on this journey with us. We really couldn't do it without you. For Coffee and Construction in Paradise Valley, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.